How much does it cost to do a full day strategy workshop? Well, it's considerably less than going bankrupt, which research shows is the most common result of bad strategy. One of my workshop participants said after a full day session, quote, I've been in the pharmaceutical industry for 20 years and I can say the day with Rich was priceless, end quote. I appreciate the feedback, but since this isn't a MasterCard commercial, I can tell you that our price is right in the middle of the market, not as high as the big consulting, recruiting, and executive education groups who typically charge $2,000 to $3,000 a person, and not as low as the generic McDonald's-esque training companies and solo practitioners that have little to no expertise in strategic thinking who typically charge under $1,000 per person. When it comes to typical workshop price, I'm in the middle, typically between $1,000 and $1,500 per person, which includes assessment and pre-work, such as my proprietary strategic quotient or SQ assessment, strategy survey, and Harvard Business Review articles I've authored, along with one of my hardcover books and a workbook. That price is an average. For instance, if you have 100 people, will the investment per person be less? Yes, of course, you'll receive a volume discount. I've been a chief strategy officer, a graduate school professor, and have written not one, but 8 books on strategic thinking. So you're getting the best expertise in the world. I've also done this with more than 1 million people over the past 25 years for companies of all shapes and sizes, including large ones such as FedEx, ESPN, and Intel, and 100 more of various sizes, some of which you've probably never heard of. All to say, I've delivered greater value for a longer period of time than anyone else in this business. My grandfather, and maybe yours too, used to say, you get what you pay for. When it comes to strategic thinking development, now you know what you get and what you pay for.